Hello. Okay, we're here, we made it. Part of my challenge that I gave myself this month was to post every single day for the month of November. Has that happened? No. Some updates. I had jury duty this week and now I'm getting sick. I can feel it. I can feel it right at the back of my throat, and also just, it's a headache in between my eyes and behind her eyes, behind my eyes, and it's all through my nose. And I'm just like, I feel like I'm getting sick. So I wanted to jump on here and do a little tutorial for when you're not feeling so hot, but you want to do a little something. That is certainly where we're at today. I'm gonna get started with my favorite little color corrector here. And I would say this, so I have my contacts in right now. On a day when I'm feeling bad, probably wouldn't bother with the contacts, especially like if my eyes are watering. I don't want to fuss around too much around my eye area, but my glasses were sitting on my nose so heavily, just pressing on an area that already was feeling achy and sore, and I was like, they gotta go. The glasses, they gotta go. Contacts in, glasses out. Maybe I'm just gonna put a really light layer of this Urban Decay Bond foundation or whatever. What I like about it in a situation like this, it's sort of primer and correcting all in one. So you don't have to bother with much. You don't have to be like, oh, my primer, my this, my that. It's all in one, and I actually really like the way it looks without a primer, so that's great. So that was just a tiny glob of that. Here's what I'm thinking for today. Pinky cheeks, very, very gentle pinky cheeks, a little bit of shimmer, doable shimmer on the eyes, and then a little lip. A little moisturizing balmy lip, and we're good to go. Basically what I'm looking to do is trick myself into believing that I feel better. Active trickery is what I'm looking for today. I'm gonna put on a little concealer and stuff right now. I mean, if I get to a point where I'm blowing my nose, that concealer will come off in like 0.2 seconds. So I'm not super worried about it. I'm just like, you know, I'm trying to make myself happy in this moment. Keeping it gentle. I'm gonna draw on some eyebrows. Yeah, like I feel a little bit high, like I feel confused. Yesterday I was all set to film, and I ended up sleeping like all day. Like I could not wake myself up, and I was like, what's wrong with me? Going in with my Viseart brow palette. But I was like, what the hell is wrong with me? And then today I woke up and I was like, oh, I feel like trash. Okay, that's a decent brow. Let me do my little gentle lip liner contour. All right. Oh boy. Just drawing all over the place. Again, if you're blowing your nose, this is gonna come off immediately. Don't even worry about it. I think I want to put on the cheeks first. I had the product that I wanted to use. I wanted something pink. I have this from Nars. This is the color Laos. Okay, so let's get that in there quickly. Let's smudge that in. And this, like, I didn't want a super wet balm or like wet looking balm, and this has a nice feel to it. It's not too matte and it's not too shiny. I just put my lips together when I said matte, and they feel like sandpaper. So I have a bunch of these Naturium balms. Maybe I just put on one right now because I'm like so struggling here. I think I want to put on something shimmery, so I'm just gonna put on one of these balms for right now. Oh god, they're very moisturizing. This one is in the color Latte. Okay, it's not terrible actually. It's not bad at all. Anyway, okay, so now I would say like this is an easy place to stop. This I would say is even more than the bare minimum. Like, don't stress yourself. If you're feeling bad, don't freaking stress yourself. For some reason, I'm just trying to stress myself. So I'm gonna go in with this. This is not available anymore, but this is the Hourglass Strobe Compact, or palette rather. And I just go across all of the colors and just see what it gets me. But I think they still have this strobe formula just in singles. This is something that I want to do to add to the effect of just like, we feel fine. Everything's fine. So now I'm going to go in with a little bit of powder just by my nose and under my eyes a little bit. This is what I wanted to do for like the star of the show. I immediately lost it. Where did it go? There it is. All right, this is a liquid eyeshadow from Lisa Eldridge, her liquid Lurex. It's a little bit sparkly, but it's not sparkle that's gonna fall in my eyes, which was my fear if I was gonna do eyeshadow. Like, I don't have the wherewithal right now to like put on a look. So I just wanna do something easy. Maybe I shouldn't go directly on my eyes. So I'm gonna put a little bit or a lot of this on my hand and then just go in with my finger. And this is just a nice, like a nice inoffensive taupe that is hard to mess up. And that's what I wanted to go for today. Yeah, you know what I mean? I don't think I want to put any under it. Lies. As I go immediately underneath my eye. My eyes look so red underneath. All right. If your eyes are puffy like mine are right now, it's just gonna make your eyes look puffier, but like, oh well. I think that's what we're after. I'm gonna add a little eyeliner. I want a little wing, I think a tiny one. Very tiny stuff. Sometimes doing my makeup, it like helps my face feel protected in a way. Protected from what? I don't know. But there's something about it that's like kind of a comforting activity. So if I want to, or if I get the impulse to do my makeup while I'm not feeling so hot, then I take the opportunity to do it. You know what I mean? Sometimes this is a thing that helps me relax and not feel so stressed, because stress certainly doesn't help you when you're sick. I do kind of like this lip. This balm is so nice. Could easily leave it there. I just took all of it off. All right, but I wanted to go in with this glaze number 6 from INNBEAUTY. It's called Candy Cane. It's like a lip oil and it's got some shimmer in it. That's what I wanted to go for today, is some shimmer. But let's see. Let's see if it's annoying to me or if it's cool. Literally makes no difference whatsoever. I thought this was gonna have like white shimmer in it. It has like red. How weird. Now I'm looking at this and I'm like, it's too glossy. It does the exact thing that I don't want it to do, which is if a tissue or anything got anywhere near this, this would be all over my face. So it does taste good though. We're going back in with Latte. Ring the alarm. Latte it is. Shall I add a little bit of lip liner? That seems insane. Lip liner is going to come off in 0.2 seconds. It just is. But let's just do it. That's it. That's it. Okay, Latte. I grabbed this randomly at first, but this is the exact effect that I want. I want something milky and light, so it actually brings like a freshness to the face. Add a little bit more blush. Whew. And that's that. Yeah, nothing too stressful. Just something light and fresh on the lips to let your natural lip color shine through. And this is it. This is just a nice little soft makeup look. Anyway, hope everyone's well. Hope everyone is very well. And I will see you in the next video. Later, skaters. Air kiss. Air kiss. Not spreading any germs.